Welcome back to day 2 of our Moab trip. It is 9:20 in the morning. We went to bed late last night, got up, and now we're going to head out to Moab, Utah. It is about a 6-hour drive today, so let's get this day rolling right. So we're about an hour and a half in, and all of a sudden we're coming out through some small town out in Arizona, and this happened. It's like snowing and blowing snow, and we're all going 30 miles an hour on the highway. Not exactly sure why. It's snowing in Moab right now, just a little bit. But it's only, the thing is, it's 33 degrees. It was just 44 degrees, so it's dropping fast. We're about an hour out from Moab. It's snowing here, and it's cold, so we're gonna get back on the road. So Jordan's over for 5 with the Jeep Ways. We got this nice YJ rolling up on us. There's so many Jeeps in this town. Like, look at over that gas station. Just Jeeps for days. All right, let's see if they got it. I believe in you, Jordan. Boom. Come on now, go. Oh, denied. What are these people thinking?
0 for 7.
Oh, we here, boys. We here finally. Oh, that was a long ride. All right, so we just got into Moab. It is currently 6:15 in the evening. The sun's about down, so we're really anxious to get out on a trail. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find just a light trail to kind of drive out onto a little bit, see what it's like. Might even break out the drone. We'll see. Still haven't eaten dinner yet. We'll do that a little bit later. This place is absolutely sick. Colorado River is literally right there. You can see that. We're super excited to see if we can get a little trailing in tonight. Wake up tomorrow morning, have a full day on the trail. Just got on the trail. This is called, what's it called, Jordan?
Gemini Bridges.
Gemini Bridges. Supposedly a pretty easy one. It veers off up here. The sun's going down, so hopefully we get the drone out. It's not too windy. There's some dirt bikers up here. Gotta be careful. Well, that drone flight was a success. I'm glad I didn't just slam into that side of that mountain right there. That would have sucked. The Jeep here on this trail, it looks absolutely sick. I'm gonna get a few cinematic shots. I'm not gonna break the gimbal out just yet. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. We still haven't eaten yet. I'm hungry. We're gonna do a few miles of trail, maybe one, maybe half, maybe none. We're gonna do a little bit of trailing, then go eat. Man, this thing looks so cool on this right there. You drive.
I figured
you drive.
You
drive. All right, I'll drive a little. Hey, I'll drive a little bit. You drive all the way back. Let's go a little bit up here. Oh, there's someone coming. Let's gotta go. We gotta go. Someone's coming. Don't freak out.
You're good on the right side.
Bison pie, bringing a little smokehouse brisket sandwich. It's been a long day. We're both tired. Here she is. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up day 2 of our Moab trip. Stay tuned for day 3 tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to stay updated on all the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, guys.